Hello, it's Robert here again. I have a topic to discuss with you today, and that's WordPress websites. Now, everybody knows WordPress websites cost thousands of dollars, and they work like a charm, or they don't. Now, those with high tech skills love them and don't mind updating them constantly because that's their job to know it. Now, there's all those other wonderful things that come with WordPress. Yes, we all know. But now let's flip the coin, okay? What if you are part of that unhappy category of people spending thousands of dollars and the site is not doing what you thought it should be doing? Or even more, it's a money eater just to hire the developers to make the necessary changes, including keeping the templates updated and the plugins updated. Now, my question is, what are you going to do about it? Keep the WordPress website and suffer because you made the unsuccessful investment and you feel that there's no way out because you've already spent all that dough? Or you cut loose from the WordPress site and put your money where it should be in a more dynamic, elegant, and better performing website. Following the 2021 technology trend that has been happening, for a small fraction of the cost you paid for a WordPress website. Now, if you're at this stage, I have some very good news for you. At Pivot Up Digital, we specialize in offering custom websites that accommodate the new critical Google changes needed to keep and improve your business ranking. Now, this month, we are offering a promotion to the first 5 that contact us. So be smart and place yourself in the top 5. Thank you for giving me the time, and I look forward to hearing from you.